Hi, welcome to our video Easy Connect Getting Started. In this video we'll cover how to download the app and sign in with a Volvo Penta ID. Firstly, download the app onto your Android or iOS device. For this example, I will be downloading the app to my iPhone. Once downloaded, you can open the app, which will take you to this home screen. Immediately, you'll be asked for permission to use Bluetooth. As the Easy Connect transmits all data via Bluetooth, you will need to select OK. It will then ask permission to send notifications. This can be selected based on your personal preferences. A brief message will now appear for your reference. To move on, simply acknowledge you have read the message by selecting one of the available options. For full engine data or fault code sharing, you will need to connect using your Volvo Penta ID. Select Connect to continue. Another automatic permission request for data sharing will appear. Select Continue. If you already have a Volvo Penta ID, you can sign in using any of the options provided on this screen. If not, scroll to the bottom and select Sign Up Now. Start with entering your email address and select Request Code. Check your email inbox to retrieve this code. Once this has been entered, the remaining data fields completed and the privacy policy accepted, your Volvo Penta ID will be ready to use. To connect with the Volvo Penta Cloud, you will need to confirm your permission once more. Tick to agree to these options and select Continue. Congratulations, you're now logged in and ready to use the app. Thank you for watching. For further support for Easy Connect or any other Volvo Penta products and applications, contact your nearest authorised Volvo Penta dealer.